Okay, little guys. Alright, so we are in the San Diego Zoo. Alright? So that means there are gonna be wild animals here, okay guys?
Yeah.
What the hell? What is that thing? Kiwi, blueberry, what's going on? Oh, baby red, oh no. Baby red. What do you got? What are you doing here?
I'm also fun. Try joining a group of 20
Are you watching my,
here.
wait. What are you doing?
I'm
here?
smoking.
Do you escape your exhibit
Yeah.
just to come and see us?
Yeah. Can I share with you guys what's really dangerous here?
Do
Clean this guy up.
you guys want to stay with us? Do you guys want to stay with us?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do that. Okay guys, so we're gonna go to the African rock exhibit.
Elephants. Elephants.
Oh yeah, elephants. You wanna go see them?
Lisa wants to see elephants.
Haven't you already seen like enough animals since you
I
live
live here.
Yeah.
Let me pick it up.
Shit. You need help with that, guys?
Stick it in the backpack.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go look at the koalas, right? Where are the koalas at?
Oh, the koala.
You see the? Oh my God, the koalas!
I want to eat it.
No.
I want to eat it.
Why are you always thinking about food? Ow. Hey, stop. Stop.
Eat you.
No.
I'm a mammal.
Oh. So then why would you want to eat me if I'm a mammal?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your butt.
Koalas?
Koala. It's
Koala.
up there.
It's up there?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so are you guys gonna help us find the koalas?
Hi. Are you my mom? Please. I never met my mom. I came from an egg. You guys come from an egg?
Listen, you're a platypus, that's a koala. Ah! Where are you going? Come back here. Come back.
This is how I have
Kiwi,
to
do you like it here?
Yeah. Wait.
Stop it, come back. Oh my God, you're gonna fall.
Yeah, see.
You're gonna
I'm
fall.
doing a shimmy. Don't look at me, I'm ugly. Don't look at me. Don't look at me, I'm ugly.
Do you guys think he's ugly?
No. No.
I think he's kind of ugly. All right, well, baby red, that's not really nice of you. So you're gonna have to apologize to him. But he's crazy. I know. What are you even doing? You like plants so much?
Yeah.
Why don't you marry them?
Why don't you like seeds so much? Why don't you become one?
Okay. Little guys, what are you guys doing? We'll get you guys out. Alright, so here we are. We're in San Diego Zoo. So,
We're in Africa.
yeah, right now we're in the...
Wait, no, we're not in Africa.
Yeah, we're not in Africa.
Oh, yeah, we are. We're in the outback.
What are you doing? We're looking at the map, right? So, where do you want to go,
Here
platypus?
we are here.
Yeah,
we're going to go to kangaroo.
Alright,
Right
Kiwi, Blueberry, Baby Red, where do you guys want to go?
Peck. Peck. I want to see the peck.
Why do you want to see the peck?
Here's a peck.
Alright, well, I really am interested in seeing the gorillas.
I want to eat a gorilla. Let's see where I am. Am I here?
You're not a carnivore, though.
Look.
What?
Those sticks.
Those are lions.
No, those sticks.
Uncle Fred. Uncle Fred. Why are we tied up to each other?
Because you guys are crazy. Yeah.
Why are you eating one of my... Stop eating my nephew.
Hi. Don't look at me.
You want to go see the koala eating the leaf?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go see him. There he is, a koala eating a leaf.
And me eating a koala.
I think those are the elephants. Okay, guys, I think these are the elephants. Okay, so I think they have some monkeys here. Yeah, monkeys, wild monkeys. Like you three, you guys all act like monkeys. Yeah, you guys are. You guys kind of are monkeys. birds are related to monkeys. Did you guys know?
Not.
Yeah, you're not a bird. Yeah, you're not. You're a platypus.
Ahí se van a poner, nos van a decir hola.
Oh my God.
A butt.
They have tribes.
Yeah, butt.
Stop talking about butts.
It's what?
All right. Okay, guys. So I think those birds are relatives. It's the mighty. No, it's not the mighty eagle.
No, it's no eagle?
It's not the mighty eagle, though.
No.
No mighty eagle. Oh my God, we're so high up. I should probably hang you guys somewhere. Oh. What are you doing? The bachelor eagle thing. Are you a relative?
No, te voy a decir.
Dude? What are you doing down at the things?
I'm trying to chew through it.
Well, you're not gonna chew through it.
I bet there's a lot of electrical cord. Oh, it's endangered. But shake it.
Hi.
Like my hand.
Kind of.
You're weird.
Yeah, you're really weird. Stop eating our friends, right, Blueberry? You're tired of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're tired of you
Blueberry.
eating us. Does he taste like a blueberry?
Yeah.
Oh, my name's Baby Red, and foods aren't called red.
Are you an apple?
No.
No, you're not.
Yeah, stop eating kiwi. We all have food now. Ow.
Spider.
Are you related to Perry the platypus?
Spider. Yeah.
He's not. Are you related to Perry the platypus?
Oh my gosh. My ugly mutated cousin.
He looks like you.
I'm ugly.
Yeah, you're hideous.
Hedwiges.
Where even are those guys? Like, I literally see none of them.
There.
Where?
There's a mongoose over there.
Oh yeah, they're on the other side. Look at their relatives, dude. Well, they're not related to you. I know that for a fact. You are weird. You are weird.
Is this my home?
No, this isn't your exhibit. Your exhibit's probably far from here. Are you gonna go back to your exhibit, or are you just gonna follow us? There's no serval there. Oh, there's a serval. Nice little serval right there. It's walking by. It's walking up.
What are they?
Yeah.
Yes?
So many of our relatives are here.
Quack.
Do you guys know what type of birds we are?
Quack.
Platypus. What's your name again? I don't know. I'm just gonna call you Platypus. What are you?
Call me Platter.
Plata?
No, call me Platter.
Alright, Plata. Well,
Platter for sure. Platypus, my name.
I'm just gonna call you Plata. Alright?
It tastes good.
There's a worm down there, dude. Birds do not eat it. No, stop trying to eat the worm. So, Plata.
Call me Platypus.
Okay, well, we're gonna call you Platypus then. So, Platypus.
What?
Do you want to see the elephants?
Yeah.
Just the elephants?
Me. I'm cool.
No, you're not.
Cool.
Do you guys think he's cool?
Yep.
Do you guys think he's cool?
Yeah, what that kid said.
Okay, well, are you gonna follow us home, or are you just gonna go to your... Hey, look, it's a meerkats. Meerkats.
I want to eat it.
Don't eat it.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna let you eat it. Listen, Plata, are you gonna come home with us, or are you just gonna stay here at the zoo? Uh-oh.
What does...
Oh, look, they have water over there. Alright, so the little guys, I put them away. The little guys are away, right?
Water.
Yeah. Are you thirsty, Plata?
Yeah.
I guess it's gonna be you and me, because the little guys are kind of like tired, so I can put them away in my backpack. All right?
I didn't say that.
Plata, you look dead.
I'm not.
All right. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, what are you doing? Stop it. Wait. Stop. Plata, what was that for?
Num. One pair of teaspoons. How about a branch?
You know, don't you eat fish? Plata, we're finally going to see the elephants. Plata, we're not getting cotton candy. Plata, you're not getting cotton. That stuff makes you crazy. I'm pretty sure you had some.
Cotton candy.
No cotton candy. No cotton candy. No cotton candy. No.
Cotton candy.
No. No, stop eating everybody. You tried to eat my nephews already.
Yeah.
Plata? Where's Plata? Plata, what are you doing?
Shrek. Where's Shrek?
From Shrek?
Shrek dead. Yeah.
Stop trying to eat me. Ah!
Parkour master. Parkour master.
You're not no parkour master, Plata. You're not parkour master. Plata. No. Don't do it.
You're walking very
Hey. Oh, God. Oh.
Yeah. You're walking really good.
You want to go see the camel, Plata? Plata, you want to see the camel? You want to eat the camel, Plata? Oh, we got to be careful, Plata.
My mom. You killed my dad. Now I'm going to come murder.
Me? Camels killed your parents? How did you kill your parents? Plata, that thing killed your mom and dad. How did they do it?
Whoa.
Oh, there it is. There's deers as well. Very weird. Cool. Plata!
Animal.
Plata,
Animal.
those aren't animals. Plata, I found the elephants.
Elephant.
Yeah, look, the elephants.
I'm gonna eat you.
No.
You ate my butt. Ooh.
Who ate your brother? Plata? Plata, why do you want to kill it?
I'm gonna eat you. Yeah.
Plata, stop.
You look like you're having a good time though.
He is.
Ooh. Bite off your nose.
Plata, you can do it. Plata, you'll do it. Come on, Plata. Plata, your phone's there. Ow! Ow! Plata! Plata, it's already out.
Here's
Jesus.
elephants.
Husband.
You gotta put it right here.
So, Plata,
What?
we're gonna go on these sky things, I guess. Are you excited? Oh, it looks like you won't be able to be inside. It looks like just you're not gonna be able to bring your drink. Plata, are you excited?
Yeah.
Whoa. That looks cool, huh, Plata?
Yeah.
Let's go, come on.
Hey, Manuel.
Plata,
What?
are you excited? Plata, are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Okay. Plata, come on, so close. It's not even long. Plata, look at the instructions. That's what you could do and then you can't do. Be safe, kids. Plata,
Yeah.
Plata, we're about to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to go.
Oh shit.
It's kind of scary. Plata, look. Whoa, look at all these trees.
Yeah.
This is cool, Plata.
Oh no.
Plata, what do you think? Plata?
Yeah. We're going on a trip in the very rocket ship.
Oh my God, hay otra línea para...
We've made it. Plata.
Vamos a hacer la línea para regresar.
We made it. Plata, what did you think of that? For a flying platypus?
Fly. You've seen the donkey. You've seen the horse fly. You've seen the fox fly. You've seen rabbits fly, but you never seen a platypus fly.
Well, Plata, this was cool, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing?
No tiene que agarrar.
Ooh, reptiles.
Reptile.
Yeah. Look at all these cool fish in there.
I'm gonna eat you.
No, you're not. You're not eating them.
Arriba está, ¿ya la viste?
Look, 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 look. It's in there, Platty. Oh, it's there.